This video demonstrates several experiments with the spark inductor. The spark inductor is controlled by a special driver. This driver makes it possible to adjust separately the energy fed to the inductor and the frequency the inductor is driven with. First part of the experiment. The distance of the electrodes is approximately 10 cm. The charging energy of the coil is increased until spark discharge starts. Now the operating frequency is increased. The experiment is repeated. The background is dark and the area of the discharges is zoomed. The following experiment demonstrates that an electrical discharge ignites preferably if the negative loaded cathode has the shape of a sharp point. As you can see, the sparks strike on the surface of the entire plate. This is the case if the plate is the positive loaded electrode. The polarity of spark inductor is changed. The positive peak of the induced voltage is now connected to the sharp electrode. The plate electrode is used as cathode. Now the sparks strike only the edge of the plate. The center of the plate is untouched of the sparks. The following experiment demonstrates that the isolation capability of an electrical isolator, for example a piece of paper, depends on its position within the electrical field. In middle between the electrodes, the isolation resists. If the paper is placed close to the electrodes, the isolation breaks through. The final experiment demonstrates the thermal effect of the electrical discharge. Individual discharges just break through the paper. The energy is not sufficient to burn the paper. The frequency of the discharges is increased. More energy is delivered to the paper. The paper becomes charred. Finally an arc is ignited and the paper is on fire. Thank you for your attention.